this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new template within List Perfectly and give you a basic overview of the templates and how they work within List Perfectly. Let's start with creating a new template. When you're in your catalog or anywhere on the List Perfectly website, hover over Listings here at the top and drop down to Add Templates. This is where you're going to create a new template. When you're in your templates section, there's going to be a drop-down menu where you can choose or look at all of your templates. And you can also choose whether or not any template you create shows in that drop-down. If you want it to show, you'll make sure that this check mark is clicked here next to Show and Drop-Down over here on the right. Or you can uncheck it if for some reason you didn't want it to show in the drop-down. When you create a template on List Perfectly, it is very similar to templates on eBay, if you've ever created one there. The purpose of a template is so that you can set up a basic template of words, phrases, information that you're going to use over and over again within your listings. It's meant to save you time, streamline your processes, and just overall make you more productive. So for instance, with a jeans template for the description, these are things we have in every single listing of jeans. So this way, when we're using the template and we're creating a new listing, all I have to do is go down and fill in the numbers here on each pair of jeans, the size, the inches, and I'm not retyping these columns every time. Most jeans are blue 99% of the time, so we've put blue here. I would put cotton blend. I know they're going to be women's. They're typically pre-owned or good. You can also make a separate template for used or new. And this general description right here on List Perfectly, when you push or cross-post your listings to other selling platforms, whatever you put in this box down here at the bottom right will repeat in here. This is going to show up in the description box on all your platforms, but on eBay, it's important that you have this box filled out because they have that section at the top of the listing where this will go. So for instance, right here under the title on eBay listings, there's usually a blurb there. Whatever you put in this box here is going to show up there. And then again in your description. This is super important because I know people don't pay attention and they don't read, especially if you're mentioning any faults, defects, or anything that you need to bring to the buyer's attention on eBay, especially because it'll be at the top and then again in your box. So it'll be there twice. And then this will just copy to the description box on all the platforms. So put what you would generally always put in your listings here. And then in your individual listings, you can fill this out with the information pertaining to that item. But you can just go down through. Everyone is different. Everyone lists different. Everyone includes different information. I've put the MSRP to always be 0 in my templates because that's what I always put on Poshmark. I've got our zip code here. For weight, for jeans, I always put 2 pounds because it's going to go in a flat rate mailer. But this is for you. So just remember, every individual seller has a different way of doing things, sells different items, does things differently. These are here for you. Yours does not have to look like mine. Mine does not have to look like yours. Your templates need to work for you. They need to have all of the information that you're going to be typing over and over again in one place that you can utilize a template rather than typing that information over and over again. So again, templates are meant to assist you, to streamline your processes, to speed you up, to make you more productive. So you have to set them up in a way that's going to be effective for you. You can create as many templates as you want on List Perfectly. You can have 1,000. You can have 2. You can have 5. Whatever your needs are. But you'll always just go to Add Templates, fill it out, give it a name, and when you're done, you would click Save and Exit. I'm not going to save this one because I already have a jeans template. If you ever want to view or edit any current templates you have, under Listings, hover down to View, /edit templates. And that's going to show you a current list of all of the templates that you have, the title, whether or not it's your default template. Is it active? You can edit it with this pencil button by clicking that. It will allow you to edit the template. So for instance, I want to add cotton blend because 99% of the time we know they're cotton blend. We'll add that. You can also duplicate the template. For example, if you created a jeans template for women's jeans and you wanted to create a men's, you could just duplicate your woman's and change just a few things to make it a men's. You could change the women's in the title to say men's. You could click this here to make it men's. It just makes it easier if you're doing a lot of similar. If you're creating a used and a new template for certain items. So you can duplicate them here. It's going to tell you the last time you updated the template, when you originally created the template, and then you also have the option to delete any entry.